Hello and welcome all. Today we will see how we can connect a voltmeter come ammeter. This is display of voltmeter and ammeter. Both current and voltage are displayed here. How we can connect this to any circuit. This is a constant current buck converter, and how we are connecting to the circuit. As we adjust the voltage, we can see that the voltage is decreasing, and as we increase the voltage, now we can see the voltage is increasing. Like that we can adjust the current too. How we have to connect this meter to the circuit. This voltmeter come ammeter has certain voltage ratings. That means in order to operate this, we have to provide at least 3 volt. In some there will be 4 or 5 volt. It may vary, but in order to work this, we have to apply minimum of 3 volt, and it can measure a current of maximum of 10 ampere. The measuring current is 10 ampere will be displayed without any problem. So that has to be considered. That means we have to apply at least 3 volts, and the maximum voltage is 30 volts. So we have to apply in between 3 and 30 volts to the display in order to work it properly, and the maximum current that it can measure is 10 ampere. As we said that the voltmeter come ammeter display has two wires. These wires are for measuring the current, and there are 3 other wires that are thin wires that are used for 2 wires. The red wire and the black wire is used to give enough supply for the panel for this display. These 2 wires is given for to provide, that means it is directly connected to the battery. And this wire, the yellow wire, that can be used to measure any voltage. These 2 wires are used to supply the power that the display wanted, and using this power we can measure the voltage at any point. If we consider a bulb circuit and a resistor, if we want to know what is the voltage at this point, then we can measure this. If this yellow wire is placed here, we know the voltage of the battery. If it is placed here, we know that what will be the voltage at this point. How the current is measured? That means if you assume that if we place one point of the current measuring wire to the positive side, then it will go through this and into the circuit, and it will come out like that. And now it has a resistor and the bulb, and it is coming to the negative side. That means it is coming from the positive through this through this panel to the load to the negative side. We check that this is the 2 wire that is used for measuring the current. This is that 2 wire, and there are 3 other wires. There are 3 other wires are here. This is the panel, and this is the plot for the 3 wires. This is where we are connecting the 3 wires, and this is the where we are connecting the 2 wires. These wires are used for measuring the current, and these current, the 2 of them are used to provide the supply to this itself, and the yellow wire is used to measure the voltage at any point. This is the 2 wires that used to measure the current. This is the 3 wires, one red, one black. This red and black is used to supply the power to the to this panel, and this is used to measure the voltage at any point. This is how we are connecting the voltmeter or ammeter to a circuit to measure the voltage and the current.